Okay, fitting the rear rack on the Sissy Bar. First thing we do is remove the bolts that are there. Now, to point out, the Sissy Bar bolts are not the ones that I've got in here. These are the ones that come with the rear mount. So you will remove your Sissy Bar bolts and store them in case you want to use them again. If you decide to take the rear rack off. Okay, once we've got the bolts removed from the Sissy Bar, the next bit is to attach the backrest. Now, I'm cheating because my top box plate is already fitted. What you would do is attach these arms to the Sissy Bar, and then you would attach these plates to the arms, and then you would attach the top box plate to these bits. But you can see how they're done, straightforward, and rather than take it all apart to show you that, when it is very straightforward. If you have any specific questions, you can ask them in the comments down below. So, line up with the holes. Screw the bolts in, just finger tight to start with, just to hold it all in place. Once we've got them in finger tight, we can tighten them all up. And there we are, job done.